Did you know that the average car interior accumulates over 2 to 3 pounds of dirt, dust, and debris every year? Yuck! If you're tired of sitting in a messy car and dream of that fresh, spotless, just clean feeling every time you drive, it's time to take control. The right car vacuum cleaner can completely change the way you care for your car, making cleaning quick, effortless, and even enjoyable. But with so many models on the market, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Here's what really matters: look for powerful suction between 18,000 and 50,000 pascals to lift stubborn debris, and choose a lightweight, portable design that lets you reach every hidden corner under the seats and between cushions. If you value convenience, go for a cordless vacuum with at least 40 to 50 minutes of battery life. For deep, continuous cleaning, a corded model will give you extra power. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners that'll make car cleaning quick, effortless, and even enjoyable. Whether you want cordless convenience, powerful suction, or a compact design to reach every hidden corner, we've got you covered. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's find out which car vacuum is the perfect fit for you.
Number 5.
Meet the Fanttik car vacuum cleaner, your ultimate 4-in-1 cleaning powerhouse designed for modern, fast-paced lifestyles. Dust, food particles, and allergens can build up inside your car and circulate through the air vents. Regular vacuuming helps reduce allergens and bacteria, improving the air you breathe. Equipped with a high-speed 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor delivering up to 19,000 pascals of suction power, it tackles everything from fine dust to pet hair with ease. The 10 included accessories let you clean every surface and hard-to-reach area, while the Type-C fast charging feature gets it fully powered in just 2.5 hours, perfect for life on the go. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, it's ultralight, portable, and ready for one-hand use anytime, anywhere. With its one-touch debris release, HEPA filtration system, and 2 intelligent suction modes, the Fanttik isn't just a vacuum, it's a smart, efficient cleaning companion that fits in your glove box but performs like a pro. Fanttik car vacuum cleaner are lightweight, cordless, and rechargeable, meaning you can clean anytime, anywhere, without needing a car wash or professional detailing.
Number 4.
The SWMRDN car vacuum cleaner, the next generation 3-in-1 cleaning and air duster powerhouse designed for those who demand performance, precision, and portability. Engineered with a 130 watts brushless motor spinning at 120,000 revolutions per minute, this mini cordless vacuum delivers a massive 20,000 pascals suction power to remove even the most stubborn dirt, pet hair, and debris from every corner of your car or home. The triple-function designed vacuuming, blowing, and aeration makes it an all-in-one cleaning tool that's equally effective for dust removal and inflating accessories. Powered by a long-lasting 7,800 mAh battery with USB-C fast charging, you get up to 30 minutes of cleaning freedom on a single charge, anytime, anywhere. With its LED light, cleaning dark corners or tight car spaces is effortless. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, the SWMRDN vacuum is compact yet powerful, featuring a 360 milliliters dust cup, washable dual HEPA filters, and a quiet operation below 85 dB. Dirt and grit can wear down your car's fabric or leather seats over time. SWMRDN vacuuming prevents damage, fading, and bad odors, helping your interior look newer for longer.
Number 3.
The RELIDOL car vacuum cleaner, the ultimate car dust and debris eliminator designed for modern car owners who demand power, precision, and convenience. Engineered with a 20,000 pascals high-performance suction system and a motorized automatic roller brush, it tackles pet hair, cat litter, dust, and crumbs in seconds, from car interiors to carpets, couches, and beyond. The dual-mode power system, Eco Max, and advanced heat dissipation ensure consistent performance for every cleaning task. Powered by a 10,400 mAh rechargeable battery with Type-C fast charging, it delivers up to 40 minutes of unstoppable runtime and fully charges in just 2.5 hours. Designed with efficiency in mind, its extra-large 720 milliliters dustbin reduces emptying frequency by 80%, while the dual filtration system, featuring a steel mesh pre-filter and washable HEPA filters, keeps suction strong and air fresh. Lightweight, cordless, and illuminated with a bright LED cleaning light, this vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups and detailed deep cleans alike. A clean, well-kept interior makes your car look newer and more valuable, which can boost resale or trade-in value later.
Number 2.
The Zefiro car vacuum cleaner, the perfect blend of power, precision, and portability for modern cleaning on the go. Engineered with an advanced brushless motor and cyclonic technology, It delivers an incredible 22,000 pascals of suction power to tackle everything from daily crumbs and dust to deep-seated pet hair and debris. With dual-speed control, 16,000 pascals, 22,000 pascals, you can easily switch between gentle touch-ups and powerful deep cleaning, making it ideal for your car, home, or office. The multifunctional attachments, including a crevice tool and 2-in-1 dusting brush, ensure no corner is left untouched, whether cleaning tight gaps, fabrics, or delicate surfaces. Powered by a 7,500 mAh long-lasting battery, the Zefiro offers up to 35 minutes of continuous use and fully recharges in just 3 hours, ready whenever you are. Designed with 2 washable HEPA filters and an XL dust cup, it guarantees consistent suction and effortless maintenance. Weighing only 1.45 pounds, this lightweight, cordless vacuum is easy to carry, ergonomically comfortable, and built for non-stop convenience. Whether you're a car enthusiast, busy professional, or pet parent tired of fur and mess, the Zefiro transforms cleaning from a chore into a quick, satisfying experience.
Number 1.
The ZARIMI 6-in-1 car vacuum cleaner, the next evolution in high-performance, all-purpose cleaning. Powered by an ultra-efficient brushless motor that delivers a staggering 40,000 pascals of suction, this compact powerhouse redefines what a handheld vacuum can do. Whether it's dust in tight car crevices, pet hair on upholstery, or crumbs on your keyboard, the ZARIMI handles it all with professional-grade precision. Its 6-in-1 multifunctional design combines vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and more, making it the ultimate companion for your car, home, or outdoor adventures. Featuring dual high-capacity batteries with up to 60 minutes of runtime and a quick-swap battery system, you'll never have to pause mid-clean. Lightweight at just 1.9 pounds and ergonomically designed for comfort, it's easy to carry, store, and maneuver wherever you need it. The complete cleaning kit, including 6 specialized nozzles, 2 washable filters, and a handy storage bag, ensures you're equipped for every cleaning challenge. ZARIMI 40,000 pascals vacuum removes dust, dirt, crumbs, hair, and debris from every corner, including tight spaces under seats and between panels, keeping your car spotless and comfortable. Power, precision, and performance all in the palm of your hand. In conclusion, whether you're battling daily dust, pet hair, or stubborn crumbs, each of these car vacuum cleaners, Fanttik, SWMRDN, RELIDOL, Zefiro, and ZARIMI, offers powerful suction, compact design, and convenience to keep your car spotless. From high-performance models for deep cleaning to lightweight options for quick touch-ups, there's a perfect choice for every driver. Don't let dirt take over your ride, pick the one that fits your lifestyle and enjoy that fresh, just clean feeling every time you hit the road. That's all for now, see you in the next one.